Hello and welcome. This is Mr. Fras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about chamfer command in 3D. So let's get started. I will just go here in modify panel, and here I will just click on this drop down arrow, and the next option here is chamfer. So I will click here to activate this one. Now here in command line you can see here it is asking about select first line. So I will just select this part. For example, I want to just chamfer this edge, so I will just select this one. Now it is asking about the interest surface section option, so I will just click on OK current. Okay, now it is asking about specify base surface chamfer distance. So right now I need 50 unit of distance and I will hit enter. Now it is asking about other surface chamfer distance, so I do not need other one. I will click here again. Now I can just select that particular edge that I want to chamfer. I will select this one and I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to fill it. This edge is going to fill it. Again I will just undo this one. You can just select multiple as well. I will undo this one from here. I will go here and I will activate again chamfer, and then I just want to just select all of these edges. For example, this top, I will select this one for example, but it is not going to make selection as I just want. So I will just go here on next option, and here you can see it is going to select as all top edges. So I will just select from here as OK current. Then I will just give a distance as 50 unit. I will hit enter. Then again the next distance I will click OK, and then you can see here one of the option that is loop, or you can just right click and here you can see one of the option that is loop. So I will select this loop and I can choose any of the line from here. Okay, and I will choose this one. You can see it is going to select all of this. Okay, and then I will hit enter. Now chamfer is applied to all of the edges here, you can see on this object. So this was chamfer option. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.